pull out some jokes. Jeez Louise, man.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
And Fabio
we're back with another video. Fabio has a bad hair day today. So today's video,
it's a bad hair life.
You guys, it's an exciting video because who are we rating today?
Because I decided. Thank you to one of you guys for suggesting it, and I'm gonna mention it right now. Wait, just give me a sec.
2,000 years later.
His Instagram is call me him you. He suggested that we would raid Paolo Ballesteros' Instagram. No clue who he is, but from the preview, you can tell that he's kind of interesting.
So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So he's a guy, so we're expecting to see abs.
He is a guy. I am praying
that we're gonna see abs.
Saints that I'm gonna see abs.
We're gonna praise the Lord right here.
That's the only reason why I wanna raid him.
Anyway, without further ado, let's get right to the video. So this is my Instagram, you guys. And now we're gonna look for... Go ahead, follow my Instagram, by the way. Paolo.
It's an Italian. No, Paolo with a no.
Yeah, Paolo.
Oh.
Could you use it in a sentence?
Oh, Paolo.
No.
I totally know it.
P.A.
Paolo, yes.
Ballesteros.
Oh no, he doesn't have Instagram, he's gay. I mean, he doesn't have abs picture, he's gay.
Why he's gay?
Oh, why are you gay?
Like, why does it... What's the connection between he's gay, he doesn't have abs?
I know him, he does recreation videos.
Oh, you know him?
Not recreation, but he recreates famous people.
Oh,
makeup.
let's see.
I love it. Okay. So, no, I've been meaning to raid this Instagram too, but I just didn't get to it. Thank you for suggesting it tonight, Fabio.
Well, that's not my... It's call me him you.
He went viral so many times. See?
Okay.
2.3 million.
Wow.
Let's see. Paolo Ballesteros. # Born Beautiful. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, because he has a movie, Born Beautiful.
Oh, is that what it is?
No, he plays a lot with makeup.
So, wait, is that drag queen?
No, he's not a drag queen. I think he just...
Is that him?
I think so, but he just puts makeup on for entertainment, for, I guess that's a drag queen.
Basically, it's the description.
He just puts makeup on for Instagram and in the internet or YouTube or whatever.
So, he's an
actor. He was
Insta drag queen.
Is that it?
Oh.
Wait, is that a filter? That's a filter.
Oh my god. Wait, is that his... Oh yeah, it is a filter.
It's a filter. So this is him as a guy.
Oh, handsome.
He's handsome.
So you were born beautiful for real.
Everyone's born beautiful, Fabio.
Really?
What happened to you?
Do you have mirrors?
But he's actually handsome. Is that his boyfriend? Comment below if they're dating.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's Catriona Gray.
Is that? Yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow. The nose pinch. That's a crazy pinch.
That's a Catriona nose.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. We should learn. Tamara Green.
Oh my...
South Africa.
Oh my god.
I can't. Oh my gosh. See how the nose is different from here to here?
Oh, that's incredible.
Oh my gosh.
How did he pinch it? He must have taped it.
It's all the contour.
No, I think he taped it like this.
It's all the contour. Tape it like this. What I mean, tape, Fabio.
Look at his nostrils. They're
It's
like
contour.
disappearing.
It's contour.
No, there's no contour that can shape your nose like that. It's like a plug.
Oh my gosh. So does he just do makeup for fun? I would like to do this.
Wow.
Who's that? I haven't even seen the caption. I know who right away.
I have no idea.
Miss Venezuela.
Oh my god. Yeah, because you studied those misses, that's why.
How did he change everything? No, I'm honestly shocked right now. This is impressive.
Wow, that's drawing, like painting.
It's drawing because you see the highlight, the white strips. Oh my god, okay, this Instagram is gonna be entertaining. I can't.
Wow, Miss Spain. Wow.
No! Wait.
That's incredible.
Wait, is that him or that's Miss Spain?
No, that's him.
Bitch.
He really changed his face, like... That's amazing.
That's contour highlight to the fullest.
Oh my god.
Do you know who that is?
Is that Hunger Game?
Regine Velasquez.
What?
I'm so shocked right now. I want to see. I've seen some of her videos before, but
Look how he shapes his lips.
who is this?
It's him.
No, but who is he trying to recreate?
I don't know.
Oh, wow. He knows how to contour.
Wow, he's handsome.
He's handsome.
Hit me up.
We can't deny that. He's handsome. Look at
So
that.
cute.
So cute.
Did you buy that at Zara though?
Yeah, I know.
I'm so against these damn shirts.
It was so popular last summer.
Everyone in Toronto had them.
They were using that.
Let's see his body. I see a half chest there. Let's see.
We can't really see fully, but look at that.
It looks cute.
face.
Nice teeth. Look at that Catriona.
Catriona.
Oh my. It really is contour that.
How? How though?
Right. Even the lines here, because Catriona has these smile lines that are so beautiful and so particular.
But
How can-
she's contouring a lot. Like no, I'm mesmerized. Like I just want to see a full tutorial. Does he have like a YouTube tutorial how to recreate?
He must have.
Like I've seen only the videos that he fast forward, and I don't like that. I want to see the recreation because I want to do that as well. Sorry, I'm skipping through the other photos. I just want to see the makeup transformations.
I want to see some abs. I don't give a shit about this makeup.
Oh, Miss France. Here, abs.
Oh! Lower though. You could have taken it a bit lower.
Oh,
Wow.
South Africa.
He can really play with it.
How? 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 Well, the technique is, I guess the technique is like you have to get the eyebrows perfect, the nose, contour, and the hairline, because that changed the whole.
No, but how
Person.
about the lips? Look, Catriona, when he did those and the lips.
I guess,
it's
like,
like everything.
Contour everything because that will reshape your face.
I can't believe he changes face literally with his makeup. You know how drag queen, they have kind of the same style all the time, but he shapes.
He
his
shapes
face.
everything. I want to see more makeup. Where's the makeup? Oh my gosh.
Wonder Woman.
Look at the lips. Look what he did to the lips.
That's great.
And that's how her lips are.
That's true.
Oh my gosh.
He really studies the character.
But how?
Look, even the eyebrows. Look how perfect they are. Like hers.
He changed.
I have to say the wigs are a bit busted. But hey, who gives a shit at the end?
Oh my god, he has a bad boy look photo. Is that him?
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, that's not him. I don't know if that's probably him.
Well, whoever he is sexy.
Lady Gaga, bitch.
Holy shit.
Bitch.
Wow. He recreated perfectly the nose, the lips, the eyes.
And Lady Gaga has a big nose like you because they're Italian. You guys are Italian.
Now you have to cut it.
No.
Because when I said that you have brought this, then you said it's racist.
Okay.
So
I'm not
yeah,
gonna
you have to
the
cut
one.
it. Imbecile.
Imbecile. But bitch, this is like the red carpet of the Born. What was that? The Star.
A Star is Born.
A Star is Born. How? I'm so mesmerized.
This is incredible.
Oh my god, he looks like my friend Christian.
Christian Grey. Oh my god, look Angelina Jolie.
you,
My
you
god.
recognize right away, eh?
Oh, he's blending.
Look at the contours. He contours that. He contours part of the face that needs to be contoured.
I think you need to have a very perfect lighting to do that, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh my god, that contour is sharp because you have to
be
really
sharp, yeah.
shape and create shadows and everything. I don't even know how you can picture that face on you. Like, how can you picture where to put the shadows?
Exactly, that's what I'm trying to figure out. But look at this one too. This is from Game of Thrones. The Queen.
I don't know these characters.
Who's this one?
These, I have to say, I can tell it's a bit busted. It's a bit like punched.
Oh wow, Miss Colombia.
Wow, that's beautiful. Nicely blended.
Here. Oh, she's transforming to Beyonce.
Oh,
Perfect
wow.
video. He said this is the most difficult. It's Beyonce.
Wow.
Eye makeup. See, like a
Hello?
drag queen, they would glow it down. Gone.
Wow. Gone. Oh wow, look, he's concealing his he's covering his sideburn.
I'm so I'm concentrating. Eye makeup. Which look? Which Beyonce look? You know I'm a huge fan, so I know which Beyonce looks.
Oh my god, it looks like he was using a Sharpie.
He was probably a Sharpie.
Oh, so he's like not hyper precise because he's like smudging it with his
Well, he
fingers
hasn't
and
put his
stuff.
foundation too, so he can just
He
cover it.
has, I think he has.
No, he
Oh,
hasn't.
he hasn't.
See? He started with the eye.
Oh no.
But I thought he would use like a very, very full coverage. It looks like it's just
Don't forget the leg.
it's neck.
Oh.
I guess that looks like a full coverage.
Oh!
Contour. Look at that bitch.
Oh yeah, because he has to create the
But look,
color
it's blended.
of the face. Blend to the right. Oh. Oh. Damn, he goes in.
But why is it so nicely blended? Bitch, if he's gonna turn out
He
look
must
like
keep
Beyonce.
it wet, kind of wet, because otherwise if it dries, you don't blend anything.
If he's gonna turn out looking like Beyonce, I'm gonna freak out. Eyebrows. Eyebrows is the hardest part, I must say.
Because it's a feature, like it's
Yeah, if you get it wrong, you're not the person. Nose contour.
Ooh. So far the eyebrows, I don't know.
I think it's right because Beyonce has very
It
arched
looks
eyebrows.
yeah, it looks pretty.
Look at he's drawing. He's
Oh
drawing
my god!
using a pencil. Then he just blends it out.
Oh, you see, he really draws.
Eye makeup again. I guess he has the perfect.
So I guess
I wouldn't be able to do it because
it doesn't look like he has like a set.
the hair
It is, like,
helps
crazy.
too.
Wow! Oh, look at this.
See,
The
he's
roof.
creating a hairline. See, it's important.
Oh shit!
He created a new hairline because he has a manly hairline.
What is he
What
doing?
is he
there?
doing? Stalking?
Oh, he's creating volume maybe.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, to create her head. What?
Let's see the comparison.
Oh my goodness. But
He
you should
looked
have
like
showed
her.
a little bit longer. Oh my god. That's incredible.
It's crazy. Anyway, final thoughts, Fabio.
Wow. I am shocked. This is talent, guys. This is real talent.
I want to learn. Maybe
Because it's not just makeup. This is like,
Yeah.
you need to know how to draw.
Mm.
Because he's drawing on his face.
Comment below if you want us to follow one of his
No.
videos.
Do not.
No,
do
I
not
want to
dare.
do it. You know
Don't
how I
you
love
dare.
makeup. I love makeup, so we're gonna do it. That was one of the most entertaining Instagram, definitely. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video because we definitely did rating this Instagram. See you guys next time.
See you soon.
Bye.
Thank you, followers.
My whistle tone.